Hello, let's get to know the jungle animals. Elephant. I am an elephant. I have a big trunk and I say lion. I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle and I say monkey. I am a monkey. I love climbing trees and I say snake. I am a snake. I slither quietly and I say parrot. I am a parrot. I love to talk and I say zebra. I am a zebra. I have black and white stripes and I say giraffe. I am a giraffe. I am very tall and I eat leaves. Crocodile. I am a crocodile. I have sharp teeth and I say snap, snap. Tiger. I am a tiger. I run very fast and I say frog. I am a frog. I love jumping and I say hippo. I am a hippo. I love the water and I say let's review. Elephant, lion, monkey, snake, parrot, zebra, giraffe, crocodile, tiger, frog, hippo. You did amazing. See you soon. Bye-bye.